are over in Shimla, currently at the Mall Road, going ahead. I'll show you the beautiful view of the city from over here. Yes, there's a lot of traffic over here, and Shimla is too expensive, too expensive. Like compared to all our locations which we visited, Shimla is the most expensive in terms of taxis, buses, tours, hotels, food. Yeah, but ambience is very good, very good. So this is Shimla. I'll go ahead on the Mall Road, continue our journey. We are on the Mall Road currently. It acts as a center point. You can go anywhere from this road. Many sightseeing places from the Mall Road. So do visit. It's no vehicle zone, so no vehicles are allowed over here. Currently heading to the Christchurch. It's above this ridge, and it's the ridge view actually. So both places are getting covered over here. Above is the church. Church view. We are standing on the ridge now. It's a flat top mountain on the top of the mountain, and the ridge is totally awesome. It's like you are standing in a foreign city. The cafes are there, hawkers are there, and sculptures, sitting places on both sides, and valley view, awesome valley view on both ends of the ridge. And in night, this would be totally a lightning place, happening place. Wow, Shimla is awesome. We didn't expect so much, but see the flat road. The road is totally flat. The vehicles are going. Oh, and clouds above, and this Indian flag. It's like it's the biggest flag I've seen of India. It's flowing very good. Here is the biggest Indian flag. You can spot this flag from entire city, anywhere in the city. And there is a Christchurch temple over there, Christchurch. I'll show you the view. This is the other side of the valley, the ridge view. It's like on top of flat bedded surface, totally flat bedded. And sculptures, flags. Salute to the Indian flag. Amazing experience. Definitely visit this place. Yeah, Shimla. Awesome city. Just the cost is too high, stay is too high, food is too high, but ambience is very good. So a good place to visit. Which you can see the valleys both sides, and a couple people, cameraman, everyone is there. We are standing at the Christchurch now. We'll go into this church. It's quite old church. It was built in 1844. More than 200. The architecture seems to have degraded because you can see the cracks all over the walls. Maintenance needs to be done. The architecture is degraded from outside, but from inside it's very beautiful. Very awesome place for photo shooting. We spent 2 hours only for photo shooting, different angles, different places, different cameras, different lens, multiple things. We spent nearly 2 hours. Now they are taking selfies again. Section of the Mall Road, and this section is full of ATMs. Every bank ATM, every bank branches are available over here. SBI, ICICI, State Bank, India Overseas, J&K, multiple banks. And then Post, Shimla. We are on the Mall Road, and can you believe it? This is the police station, Shimla Police Station. It's totally Victorian architecture and superb, amazing building. You can see District Shimla Police. Never expected a police station would be such grand. Wow, that's good. Good to see such a grand police station. Shimla is very beautiful location. This is a gully opposite police station. There is a chaat bhandar stop. Very awesome chaats available. Paratha, chole kulche, and different things. Chaat, full, very good place, chaat shop. Again, very steep slope. There's provision of staircase over here, but it's also useless. The slope is very high and the forest is very green. Finally we reached inside the temple, and this is the hallway for the temple. First view which we saw is this huge statue of Hanuman. It's 108 feet. I don't know how it was built. Amazing, beautiful sculpture. And back over is the temple. This statue can be seen from entire Shimla. Temple from inside, very beautiful. Many play paintings and decoration. Good temple. Hanuman temple, a very good place. And the temple premises is very huge, very huge. And lot of monkeys. One suggestion: do not tease these monkeys. These are very dangerous ones. We did all the points sightseeing in Shimla. Now we are having a booked bus to Delhi. It's around 7 p.m. today. So heading back towards hotel to take our luggage. It's around 3:30 now. So Shimla is a very beautiful city. Do visit sometime if you have time. So that's it. Seeing of Shimla. Valley, sun is setting down, and greenery and sunset. I'm standing at the old bus stand.